Hey guys, what's good? Video, if you did, please get... Alright ladies, why did I just do that? I don't really know. This smells really good. Hey, I really like this Revlon stuff. You'll have to give me a couple more of these, shit. Oh girl, I like these. Alright ladies and gents, why do I feel like I'm out of frame? This family we've built growing. That's not right. Oh my god, what? What is you doing? Girl, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. I am freaking freezing. I need coffee. I need professional help. I think we all can agree on that at this point. I don't know what I'm doing today, but do I ever? Not really, so... Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you have never been here before, hello, my name is Brooke and I post beauty and makeup related videos weekly. I like slurred that all together. I post videos weekly here on YouTube and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and join this family we've got going here. I'm showing you guys a tutorial on this look right here. I used my Carli Bybel for this today, which I find myself reaching for more and more as I have it. I really love this palette, especially this white highlight shade has a special place in my heart. Oh my god, can I just get an amen? Anyways, I'm showing you guys how to get this look in today's video, and if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so first things first, picking up my e.l.f. primer and using this to prime my lids, and then just blending that in with my Morphe brush. Now I'm taking this shade right here as my transition shade, so I'm just going to work this into my crease area and then slightly blend it upwards so that all the shadows that I put on have a nice transition into that shade. And then I'm picking this shade up right next to it and working that into my crease. This is going to be one of these shades that I want the focus of the look to be on today and this tone in general, so I'm just building it up until I'm happy with the pigmentation of it. So now picking up this purple shade right here, and I don't know if I mentioned, but this is my Carli Bybel palette by BH Cosmetics, but just going in with that shade, I'm going to start to focus this on the outer corner, and then I'm going to very slightly drag it through the crease just to add some more depth and definition. Then just running a blending brush through that crease area. Now I'm picking up this shimmery shade right here, and first I'm just going to be spraying my brush with some MAC Fix Plus, and all this is going to do is just to help bring out the foiledness and the pigmentation of this look, if that was English, I don't really know. And I'm just going to blend this slowly back into that outer corner. Then I just felt like this look needed a little something more, so I'm going into my Jaclyn palette and picking up that deeper purple shade right there, and I'm focusing this on the outer corner just to further that depth, because for me there wasn't enough contrast between that lid shade and that outer corner shade that I had originally put down. And then of course we just have to go back in with a clean blending brush because ain't nobody got time for those harsh lines, am I right ladies? And I'm just lining up some tape on my outer corner to prepare my eye for my wing liner. I love doing this because it makes the wing so sharp, but I'm just going to be picking up my Morphe eyeliner in the shade Slate. This is their black gel liner and I love it just because it is so easy to work with and I've never ran into any kind of problems with this and it stays all day long. Alright, and then I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows with my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Picking up my BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Highlighting Stick, I'm going to be using the matte side just to go in under my brow to clean it up and to also help to highlight that area. Moving on to the skin, I'm picking up my Smashbox So Chill Coconut Photo Finish Primer Water, and I'm just using this to prime my face before going in with some of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the shade Perla. I'm just putting this on the high points of my face so that it shines through under my BB cream that I'm about to put on. And for my foundation today, I will be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation. This is actually more of a BB cream, and it's nice, especially for summer because it has SPF in it. Now I'm picking up my Bye Bye Concealer by IT Cosmetics again, and I'm just tapping this under my under eye with my finger. I like to use my finger with this product because it is a bit more of a thicker consistency, so having the warmth of my finger really helps to blend it in and push it into the skin. Now picking up my cream bronzer, I'm just going to be putting this onto the perimeters of my face with an angled kabuki brush. I absolutely love this cream bronzer. This is the Chanel one. It is on the pricier side, however, I have had this for years. I mean, at least 4 years. I use it often and I've barely even put a dent in it, so in my eyes, it's definitely worth it, and it just has such a beautiful sheen on the skin. Does that make sense? Sheen? That was definitely not the right word. Moving on, I'm going to be taking my Liquid Glow once again by Anastasia and just putting that over top of my foundation because I like to be a little extra sometimes and you can never really glow too much. That's actually not a thing. So I'm just going to be putting that onto my face with a duo fiber brush. Before going in and setting my face, now that I have all of my cream products on, I'm picking up my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer kit, the contour kit, and I'm using the vanilla shade, which is that upper left hand corner shade, to set my under eye. And then for the rest of my face, I will be picking up my Bare Minerals Bare Pro powder, just so that when I go in with bronzer and everything, nothing sticks to my skin because it is a bit wet from all of the cream products we just put on. Now picking up my Morphe 9BZ bronzing palette, I'm taking that middle right hand shade right there, and I'm going to be putting this over where I put that cream bronzer just to set it and also to enhance the intensity of it. I'm also just bringing some of that slightly down the bridge of my nose to act as a contour. So now I'm picking up my favorite highlight shade from my Carli Bybel palette, which is that one right there, and I'm just going to be putting this onto my cheekbones as well as the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow just to highlight. And then I'm just picking up this purple shade right next to it and putting this in my inner corner and on my brow bone as my highlight. I like using this shade for this look just because it does have a bit of that purple tint to it, so it kind of brings the look together. And then I'm just going to go in with a quick coat of my Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit to prep my lashes for falsies. And for falsies today, I will be using a brand new pair of Tray Chic lashes. I am so excited for these, you guys. I am absolutely in love with them. They're in the style Sassy, and as you can see, they are super full. They're very glamorous, and I absolutely love them. And if you guys are interested in trying out any of the Tray Chic lashes, I do have a discount code. Whoa. I do have a discount code with them if you guys want to try them out. It's Brooke20 in all caps for 20% off. They are mink lashes, so they will last 20 to 30 times, and they are definitely my favorite brand of mink lashes at the moment. Picking up my Marc Jacobs black eyeliner, I'm just going to be tight lining my upper waterline and my lower waterline before going in with that shadow to blend out my lower waterline. And to finish off the look, I'm just going in with this Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in the shade Barely Blush. Alright, ladies and gents, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. And feel free to leave some comments down below letting me know what kind of videos you want to see next, what you thought of this look, or really anything. I really love talking to you guys. It makes my day. And feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media, which I will have a link down below. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.